All right, guys, here we go. We are on Wednesday of Blueprints. Today we're going to be reading the story When I Am Old with You. Let's go ahead and get started. Our theme concept is some friendships are extra special, and our strategy is to monitor and clarify. So we can always go back, reread it over. If it doesn't make sense, we can read ahead, or we can look at the pictures. Our skill this week is noting details. So really looking at the details within a story to see if they maybe give us any clues or insights to what's going on in this story. All right, go ahead and read it together with me. Monitor and clarify. Whenever I read and I don't understand, I do three things before I raise my hand. I can reread, look at the pictures, or read ahead. All right, today we're getting our stretchers ready. Here we go. First word, show. Made. Step. Match. Bait. All right, here we go, our affix review. Suffix, sound, meaning. Suffix, sound, meaning. Suffix, sound, meaning. All right, here we go, our affix word review. We've got that suffix of S with our word jokes. I'd like you now to think of a sentence with the word jokes in it. Think about a sentence you can use the word jokes in, and on the count of three, think for a second. I'd like you to say that sentence out loud. 1, 2, 3. My sentence was, I like to tell jokes with my friends. All right, we've got the suffix ed, and in the word joked, the ed makes what sound? Let's say it joked. If you said the t sound, you were correct. Nice job. And last, we have the suffix ing, which means it's happening right now. Go ahead and use that word joking in a sentence. Think of one. Take a second to think. All right, go ahead and say your sentence out loud using joking in a sentence happening right now. All right, my sentence is, I am joking with my daughters. All right, our irregular word review. Here we go. My turn, ocean, your turn. Spell ocean. Nice job. My turn, talk, your turn. All right, get your hands up in the air like you're doing a little talking mouth with your hands. And for each letter, I'd like you to make your hands talk like they're talking the word talk. Spell talk. My turn, through, your turn. I'd like you to take your hands and go and clap out with me as you spell the word through. Spell through. My turn, you, your turn. All right, let's see if you can do it again. Close those eyes and spell the word you. Spell you. My turn, old, your turn. In a really old voice, I'd like you to spell the word old. Spell old. My turn, canoe, your turn. All right, pretend you're sitting in your canoe, and if you don't know what a canoe is, it's like a boat, kind of like maybe like a kayak if you've seen one of those before. So take a seat in your canoe, get your paddle ready, and with each letter, I'd like you to paddle out the letter. Spell canoe. My turn, from, your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell from. My turn, water, your turn. Pretend you've got waves of water crashing through the ocean. Get your waves ready. With every letter, you're going to make a wave go up and down. Here we go. Spell water. My turn, won't. Your turn. With your hands, I'd like you to go ahead and clap out and spell the word won't. Spell won't. And again, won't is a contraction for will not. I will not eat. What will I not eat? I'm not too picky. I probably will not eat sardines, or I could say I won't eat sardines. My turn, mind, your turn. In a whisper voice, spell mind. My turn, people, your turn. All right, pretend you're waving to all the people in the crowd as you're spelling the word. Spell people and give a wave with each letter. And I apologize again, sometimes my cursor, it just freezes up and it doesn't move with my finger. So thank you for your patience. Go ahead and just spell it anyways, even if the cursor isn't moving along. My turn, breakfast, your turn. All right, pretend you're eating your breakfast. Get your plate ready, get your fork or spoon for your bowl or your plate, and let's go ahead and spell breakfast. Spell breakfast. All right, here we go with our sounds. Sound. Again, today should have been ya, I, or e. Sound. 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 All right, here we go with day 3. Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Oops, that one didn't have us blend. So blend, be fire, word, fire. Good job. Or a couple mistakes in here. No biggie. Sound. Sound. Blend. First syllable. Sound. Sound. Blend. Blend it all together. All right, let's clap it out. Whoop, we got more to it. So the first part's after. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. All right, let's put it all together and clap it out. We've got afternoon. What's our word? Afternoon. Good job. Sound. Sound. So that was our first syllable. Could be the E, depending on how it goes. Let's see. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So far you should have done either or E, depending on how it's used. V, Evan. Let's see. Maybe when we get all together, it'll make more sense. Ooh, I know that's the suffix. Sound. Ing. So let's try and put it together. Evening. Evening? That doesn't make sense. What if I did evening? Evening. That does make sense. How many syllables? Evening. If you said 3, you got it correct. Awesome possum. You guys rocked it today. We did it a little quicker. Good job. We'll see you tomorrow.